Welcome back to another episode of LovEm or LosEm. Episode 2. We are dyeing my hair today, and as you can tell in episode 1, we used the color Oops to lift the color drastically. It was very dark brown. I'm super impressed with it. My hair is still pretty healthy. It's still damp because it's gonna help like evenly distribute the solution a little bit better. Let's get started. The colors we're using today are both Feria, Smoky Silver, Smoky Blue. My husband picked them out. He's awesome. Now I know they don't turn out like this always, but after today, why not? We're gonna mix them together. I already opened the boxes. They both came with step 1. Okay, now this is the same solution. This is the developer. So I know that there's equal amounts in here. Step 1, and I'm gonna pour half into each bottle. I feel like I'm doing a science experiment. Half of this into one bottle, and then the other half into the other bottle. We're in business. They look about even. Aromatic Shimmer Serum. That smells nice. This is awesome to have on hand because it's a really nice conditioning treatment. I wash my hair about once a week. I leave it on like a mask, and so it gets super silky and smooth. We're gonna get this color on my hair and see what happens. Because like I literally opened like 10 boxes. They came with gloves. Gonna put those suckers on. Well, that's new. Trash! I really can't wait for that tripod to come with the light. I'm gonna look so much better. Yes, please. As you can tell, I've already portioned my hair out. The top part I do a little bit less because it's the last part I do, and I want to make sure that I have enough to cover like the most important part of my hair. This beautiful face. Can you hear my dogs in the back? They're being crazy. Just like so. I've got that everywhere. We are ready to apply. And then I start in small sections. That way I know that each strand of hair is getting an equal amount of solution and it's getting saturated enough. If there's not enough dye on there, it's gonna be dry and it's gonna look spotty. So you really wanna make sure that it's nicely saturated. By the way, I'm not a hairstylist by any means. I have no formal training. I just do my own stuff at home. Okay, now for that disclaimer. If I see this on like Brad Mondo's like epic hair fails, I'm gonna cry. I don't want spottiness, I don't want to be doing this again, and I don't want to go bald. I am still so impressed by this color correction, man. I know that this isn't the color correction video, but I mean, we would not be here if it weren't for the color correction. So let's just take a moment. Thank you, color Oops. Okay. During this pandemic, Sally's closed, so box color it is. Okay, I'm just gonna get around my face. I'm trying not to get it on my forehead, like that. Oh, it's kind of starting to burn. Look at that, it's all over my ear. Better get this side. It's all over my neck. Dude, I'm a hot mess. Just slide it down. And then get right in there. This is either gonna turn out really good, and I'll be like, awesome, or it's gonna turn out really bad, and my husband's gonna make fun of me, and my kids will. I think it's gonna turn out good. We'll see though. Feria, are we gonna love them or lose them? The situation that we're in here, this pandemic, I mean, not bad for a color correction at home, right? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Yes, you do. I'm talking to you. So, I mean, it's pretty good on there. Should I do my eyebrows? No, they'll turn like... Should I? I'm going to. I'm gonna put a little in my hand. This is a bad idea, huh? Oh, just don't. I do not recommend this at home because if it gets in your eye, you go blind. But hell, I've seen the world. No, really, don't do this. Oh, this is gonna turn out good. All right, guys, so I have finished putting all of the color on my hair. I put it up in like this little bun type thing. I don't think I'm gonna wrap it right now. I'm gonna go sit out on the patio, and I don't want to look completely ridiculous with a Stater Brothers bag on my head. So, but I'm gonna let it sit on for probably like 20 minutes. I'll check back in and I'll let you guys know. So stay tuned for another episode of LovEm or LosEm.